everyone, and welcome back to FluentNest English.
Hey everyone, great to be here again.
Today we have a very useful topic, especially if you are working or planning to work in an English-speaking environment.
That's right. Today we're talking about business English and daily work life.
Exactly. We'll cover meetings, emails, deadlines, office communication, and more.
Sounds good. Let's start with a simple question. Ali, what does your typical workday look like?
Well, I usually start my day by checking emails. That's the first thing I do every morning.
Same here. Emails can really set the tone for your day.
Absolutely. Sometimes you wake up to 10 new emails and you already feel busy.
Yeah, especially when some of them are marked urgent.
Oh, yes, that word can create instant pressure.
So how do you handle your emails? Do you reply immediately or plan your responses?
I try to read all emails first, then prioritize. I reply to urgent ones and leave less important ones for later.
That's a smart approach. Time management is very important at work.
Definitely. After emails, I usually check my schedule for the day.
Do you have many meetings?
Yes, sometimes too many. Meetings can take a big part of the day.
I agree. Some meetings are useful, but some could just be an email.
Exactly. Not every discussion needs a meeting.
So when you are in a meeting, how do you communicate professionally?
I try to be clear and respectful. I listen carefully and speak when needed.
That's important. Listening is just as important as speaking.
Yes, and I also try to use polite phrases like, I think, in my opinion, or that's a good point.
Those phrases make your communication sound more professional.
Right. And they also help avoid conflict.
Have you ever disagreed with someone in a meeting?
Yes, of course. It happens often.
How do you handle it?
I try to disagree politely. For example, I say, I see your point, but I think we should consider another option.
That's a great way to express disagreement.
It keeps the conversation positive.
Exactly. Workplace communication is not just about being right, but also being respectful.
Well said.
What about deadlines? Do you often work under pressure?
Yes, deadlines are a big part of work life.
How do you manage them?
I break my tasks into smaller steps and set mini deadlines.
That's a very effective strategy.
It helps me stay organized and reduces stress.
Do you ever miss deadlines?
Sometimes, yes.
And what do you do in that situation?
I inform my manager as soon as possible and explain the reason.
That's the right approach. Communication is key.
Yes, it's always better to be honest.
Let's talk about emails again. Writing emails in English can be difficult for learners.
True. Many people don't know how to start or end an email.
What's your usual structure?
I start with a greeting like Dear John or Hi Sarah.
Then,
Then I clearly state the purpose of the email.
that's important. No one likes long, confusing emails.
Exactly. Keep it simple and clear.
And how do you end your emails?
I usually say best regards or thank you.
That sounds professional.
Yes, small things make a big difference.
What about communication with clients?
That requires extra professionalism.
Definitely. First impressions matter a lot.
I always try to be polite, clear, and confident.
Do you use formal language with clients?
Yes, more formal than with coworkers.
That makes sense.
Also, I avoid slang or casual phrases.
Good point.
What about networking? Do you think it's important?
Very important. Networking can open many opportunities.
How do you start a conversation in a professional setting?
I usually start with small talk.
Like what?
Simple things like, how are you? Or what do you do?
That's easy and natural.
Yes, small talk helps break the ice.
Then you can move to more professional topics.
Exactly.
Do you find networking easy?
Not always. It can be uncomfortable at first.
Same here.
But practice makes it easier.
Yes, confidence grows with experience.
Let's talk about feedback.
That's an important topic.
How do you give feedback?
I try to be honest but kind.
That's the best way.
I focus on improvement, not criticism.
And how do you receive feedback?
I listen carefully and try to learn from it.
That's a great attitude.
Feedback helps you grow.
Absolutely.
Work life can be challenging, but good communication makes it easier.
I agree.
Let's share some useful phrases for our listeners.
Good idea.
Let's schedule a meeting.
I will get back to you.
Can you clarify that?
Let's discuss this further.
I agree with you.
I see your point.
These are very useful in daily work conversations.
Yes, learners should practice them daily.
Try to use them in real situations.
That will improve your confidence.
And don't be afraid of making mistakes.
Mistakes are part of learning.
Exactly.
We hope this conversation was helpful for you.
Keep practicing your English every day.
And use it in real-life situations.
Don't forget to subscribe to FluentNest English.
And share this with your friends.
Tell us in the comments what you want to learn next.
We would love to hear from you.
See you in the next episode.
Take care and keep learning.
Bye.